Hey friends, in today's video, I'm gonna unbox my new gadget, Dji Spark drone. So let's unbox this drone.
So the box is very decent and big, very good. Everything is packed in a good style. Ooh, this bag is amazing. There are like foam covers which protect the drone. You can easily carry it anywhere you go out. You can carry these bags. So this is DJI drone. Ooh, amazing. I like it. Dji Spark drone. You have a little camera, the sides, and this is battery. And if you press this button, it's gonna tell you how much it is charged. Small, but it's very good, nice in shape, style. This is Dji Spark battery, which lasts for like 12 to 15 minutes. If you press the button, you can check how much it is charged. These are extra propellers. Now let's move on to the next bag, in which you get the controller and charging stuff. So here is the DJI controller, and these are the antennas. They both face opposite. And here you can, if you press power button, it will tell you how much controller is charged. Here is the password and the Wi-Fi for controller. Batteries and controller with a USB cable. These are propeller guards. This is charger for DJI battery. this is the battery charger. Here you can charge 3 batteries at the same time. And this is USB cable for charging your controller and batteries. Now the wait is over. It's time for pump takeoff. Click rear button twice. Lights will turn green. Propellers turn on. Here you are ready to go. So here it's landing time for Dji Spark.
So, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.